I'm making a giraffe garden sculpture. Being hard of hearing, I'm really passionate about making content related to people with hearing differences. The giraffe illustration is one of my most popular designs, so I decided to turn it into a 3D garden sculpture. I'm using recyclable materials and a cement clay paper mache recipe that can be used both indoors or outdoors. Let's go! Oh, shit. Let's smash some paper. The reason why we're doing this is because we don't want to have to cut the tape while we're mashing the paper. This is my bag of skeletons. It's not only very good to repurpose paper from other projects, but also they can be very useful for new projects as well. So I grabbed these two pieces, this one here, and this one can be the neck. I'm gonna grab the masking tape, the chest area of this giraffe. And this is where all my scraps come in really handy. So we're adding more here. So we're gonna add more to the sides as well. So you don't have to put a lot of masking tape at first because we're just holding things in place. I try to crumble a paper in a shape like this, kind of going into one side. It's gonna be placed there, for example. And then I just add enough paper to create that shape. Okay. Now we're gonna add some legs. Sure look better. Wire! Woo! Woo! We're doing wire, baby. This is gonna go. Foil. Making sure to have a little bit of a shell shape here. Here's the giraffe skeleton. It's ready to go now. Next step. Put 1 cup of the crumbled up paper right there. 1 cup of joint compound here. Now we're gonna add 1 cup of PVA glue. And mix it all together with a mixer. Anybody want to lick this spoon? Lick this spoon? Lick this spoon? All right, Bambi, we're gonna cover you up. So it's a little bit harder to make it stay in the shape. I'm gonna continue laying the clay in here until it's completely covered.
Steps for them. One more time. Twink, twink, twink. One. Drop down.
Okay, 3 little birds. Now, just one. There. There we go. There. Here is going to be the otoscope and the wing holding the otoscope. Now I got to put the feet. They're going to be flying down here on the bottom. Secure it. Cement doesn't really respond well to aluminum. We're gonna take it out. It's kind of tough to do that. Oh yeah, so satisfying.